Crikey! Let's go on an adventure into the heart of Australia. This is where you will find the amazing female kangaroo. She lives in a place we call the bush. It is a big, open land full of sunshine and special trees. Think of giant eucalyptus trees that smell like minty lollies. These trees give her shade when the sun is very hot. She also loves grassy plains and woodlands. These wide open spaces are perfect for her to hop around and find yummy food. It's a beautiful home, full of sounds and smells that are uniquely Australian. Our kangaroo friend doesn't build a nest like a bird. Her home is the land itself. She sleeps under the stars or beneath the cool shade of an acacia tree. During the day, she moves with her family group, which we call a mob. Living in a mob helps keep her safe. If one kangaroo sees danger, like a dingo, she can warn everyone else. They share the big, beautiful Aussie landscape together. It is their giant backyard where they can play, eat, and rest. This connection to the land is so important for their survival. The Australian environment can be very tough. Sometimes it's super hot and dry, and other times there can be big floods. But the female kangaroo is a true survivor. She knows how to find water even when it's hidden. She can travel long distances to find green grass after the rain. She is perfectly made for this land. Her strong legs help her cover huge areas, and her thick fur protects her from the sun and the cold nights. She is a real Aussie battler, tough and resilient, living in harmony with the wild. In this vast home, she shares her world with lots of other incredible Aussie animals. You might see colourful parrots flying overhead or sleepy koalas snoozing in the trees. Wombats might be digging their burrows nearby. The female kangaroo is a key part of this amazing community. She helps shape the environment by eating grasses and moving seeds around. She is a gentle giant of the bush, and her presence makes the Australian landscape feel truly alive. It is a privilege to share our country with such a wonderful creature. The life of a female kangaroo begins in a truly incredible way. She starts as a tiny baby, no bigger than a jelly bean. When she is born, she is blind, has no fur, and is very helpless. But she has an amazing instinct. Using her little front legs, she makes a long and difficult journey. She crawls all the way from the birth canal, through her mother's thick fur, and into the safety of the pouch. This first journey is her biggest challenge, and it shows just how strong she is from the very start. It's a miracle of nature. Once inside the pouch, the tiny baby, called a joey, finds everything she needs. The pouch is like a warm, safe, and cozy nursery. It is lined with soft fur and has a teat that provides her with rich milk. For many months, this pouch is her entire world. She stays attached to the teat, growing bigger and stronger every single day. Her mom keeps the pouch very clean, just like we would clean a baby's room. The joey is completely protected from the outside world, feeling the gentle rhythm of her mother's hops as she moves. After about 6 months, the joey is ready to see the world. She starts by poking her little head out of the pouch. She sees the big, bright world for the first time. The trees, the sky, and the other kangaroos in the mob are all new and exciting. Slowly, she gets braver. She might take her first wobbly hops outside the pouch, but she always stays very close to her mum. If she gets scared, she dives headfirst right back into the pouch for safety. This is a very cute sight to see. As she grows into a young adult, she spends more time outside the pouch. She learns by watching her mother. She learns what plants are good to eat and how to listen for danger. She practices hopping and builds up the muscles in her powerful legs. Eventually, she becomes too big for the pouch. This is when she becomes a fully independent kangaroo. She will stay with her mob, ready to one day become a mother herself and continue this beautiful cycle of life in the Australian bush. It's a wonderful journey from a tiny jelly bean to a magnificent kangaroo. Kangaroos have a secret language all their own, and it's fascinating to watch. A female kangaroo uses her whole body to talk to other kangaroos. One of the most famous ways she communicates is by stomping her feet. If she senses danger, she will thump her big, powerful hind feet on the ground. This makes a loud thudding sound that travels a long way. It's a clear warning signal to her mob. It says, "Look out, there's danger nearby." This simple action can save the lives of her entire family group. She also uses more subtle signals to communicate. The way she holds her ears is very important. If her ears are pricked up and facing forward, she is alert and listening carefully. If she turns her ears in different directions, she is trying to figure out where a sound is coming from. She might also use her tail to show how she is feeling. A relaxed kangaroo will have a gently curved tail, while an agitated or aggressive one might hold it differently. It's a quiet language, but if you know what to look for, you can understand what she's thinking. Kangaroos also make noises to talk to each other. A mother kangaroo has special sounds just for her joey. She will make soft clicking noises to call her baby back to the pouch. It's a gentle and loving sound, a bit like a mother whispering to her child. When kangaroos are alarmed, they might make a guttural coughing or grunting sound. It's not as loud as the foot stomp, but it's another way to tell others to be careful. These vocal sounds add another layer to their complex social lives. Communication is key to living together in a mob. When kangaroos greet each other, they might touch noses or sniff each other. This is their way of saying hello and checking who is part of their group. Young kangaroos often play fight, which looks rough but is an important way for them to learn social rules and test their strength. Through a combination of sounds, body movements and actions, female kangaroos maintain strong bonds and ensure the safety and harmony of their mob. It's a beautiful and complex system. There is nothing quite like the love between a mother kangaroo and her joey. The pouch is the center of this special bond. It's more than just a pocket. It's a mobile nursery that provides warmth, safety and food. The mother has amazing control over the muscles of her pouch. She can tighten it to keep her joey safe while she's hopping at high speeds. She can also relax it to let the joey get in and out. She spends a lot of time carefully grooming and cleaning the pouch, making sure it's a perfect, cozy home for her little one. A mother kangaroo's milk is truly magical. It changes as her joey grows. When the joey is very young and tiny, the milk is watery and full of antibodies to protect it from disease. As the joey gets bigger and starts to grow fur, the milk becomes richer in fats and proteins to help it grow strong. What's even more incredible is that a mother can produce 2 different kinds of milk at the same time. She can have a newborn joey attached to one teat and an older joey who still comes back for a drink, using another teat. Raising a joey is a full-time job. The mother teaches her young one everything it needs to know to survive in the wild. She shows it which grasses and leaves are the tastiest and which plants to avoid. She teaches it to be alert for predators like dingoes or large eagles. The joey learns by copying its mother's every move. This close relationship ensures that the essential survival skills are passed down from one generation to the next. It's a beautiful apprenticeship, guided by a mother's patient love and care. The kangaroo is a true symbol of Australia. She is an icon of our unique wildlife and our rugged, beautiful landscape. These amazing animals are a vital part of the ecosystem. They are nature's lawnmowers, keeping the grasses trimmed, which helps prevent bushfires. Their importance to Australia goes beyond just their role in nature. They are a part of our national identity, featured on our coat of arms, protecting kangaroos and their Habitats means protecting a piece of what makes Australia so special. They are a treasure we must cherish forever.